just found our home for the next week. Sheep Bridge Road, not too far outside of Zion. Free boondocking.
That's Springdale right there. Zion and up that canyon.
We are here in Zion and we are hiking the Emerald Pools Trail to 3 pools and waterfalls.
Yep, on our way to the first pool.
He's got those little antlers, it's so cool. Just eating the leaves. Lower Emerald Pool.
So the lower falls right there. The middle is just above that on that platform. And the upper comes from way up top. You almost sit back? Yeah. As fast as best I can do.
It's a beautiful morning. I am going into Zion National Park. I'm just planning to see the sights, walk the river, get some good photos. Doing the Riverwalk Trail at the Narrows. The Narrows hike is actually closed today because the water is so high and running so fast it's not safe. But that's okay. I just came for the view. That right there in the center is Angel's Landing. About 6 months ago, Brad and I were up there at the top. So I came back in the park today. This might be our last day here. We're not really sure what we're doing tonight. So I did the drive, the scenic drive up the canyon through the big tunnel, and pretty outstanding. I wish I would have stopped on the other side for some photos, but anyway, this is just a pretty crazy view. Found a trail with some swimming holes right off the road, so I'm gonna go check it out. I heard some other people down there. It's a little gravelly, but there's definitely a path here. Well, I can see some people downstream, so I'm going to give them their space and see what's going on upstream. To be the most serene and peaceful place in Zion. I saw a handful of other people while I've been down here. So many different levels and little waterfalls all along this stream, and it's just gorgeous and peaceful and quiet. I did not expect to find this, so feeling like I scored a jackpot today.
All right, so today is our nomadiversary. It's
1 year on the road.
We left our sticks and bricks house and moved aboard the RV exactly 1 year ago today. And to celebrate, we're going to open our favorite wine. It's the Butter Chardonnay. We got this from Jam Cellars in Napa Valley. You can see that in episode 37. Cheers to one wonderful year on the road and to many more. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Okay. Should I put on that last piece of wood?
Yeah,
Did we already
yeah.
say that? I think I might have already said that. I hope this burns quick! Oh god, that thing's huge!
That's the biggest piece.
Holy cow! It's not too late to take it off.
No, I'm gonna pour some more wine.
Okay. That's not. Oh wait. Oh, okay, you got it. Oh, this butter is really good.
Butter.
He got these huge pointy. He can leap about. Look at the
Boons!
You got two coconuts, so you're banging them together.